Hi, I'm Bandi. I'm the Partnerships Director at GLAMOUR UK, and the treatment I'll be trying is microblading on my eyebrows by Suman.
How did it feel?
It hurts.
My passion for eyebrows started when my mother had chemotherapy and I knew how much it meant to having confidence again, so I really wanted to learn semi-permanent, and ever since then it's been my forte.
Obviously worried about potential pain, so that's in the back of my head as well.
We use a strong numbing cream, which we apply and it takes away the sensation. Only thing is you hear the scratching noise of the blading, is where I tell them to bring headphones, but other than that, it's quite a comfortable procedure.
I think my biggest nightmare is for it to go wrong and to have wonky eyebrows at the end.
If you don't like your results and you're unhappy with it, which is very rare, then the best is not to have your retouch appointment. If it still doesn't fade away, then you come and have a removal session.
Like most people, I have my insecure days, but overall I wouldn't say I feel necessarily pressure. I've always sort of strived to be clever and funny and interesting, and looks have always been like a secondary currency.
We don't have black, doesn't exist in tattoo. In my experience, darker skin tones and oilier skin do bleed a lot, so they're the ones that fade much quicker, and it just means I need more of a retouch.
If you're not natural and embracing how you look, then you're superficial and you're empty, and why are you trying to change yourself? So the whole thing about inclusivity is everybody should be able to do what they want, right?
The skin is open now. I'm going to insert the ink. You might feel stinging, which is absolutely normal, okay?
Okay. Be prepared for a little bit of discomfort. It's not an easy plain sailing thing. There is a little bit of discomfort is what I'd say.
This fine needle, it spits out like little pixelated dots. That's why you don't feel it. I'm lightly just going over the first layer of the surface. The procedure takes up to 2 hours. Numbing and measuring takes the longest. The treatment cost is from $500 with different artists. Myself is $600. It can go to $650 depending on whether you want the shading added to it, ombre brows, and there's also a diamond eyebrow. How did it feel?
It hurts. It's quite tender.
It's sore.
Yeah, sore, yeah.
After 10 days, you'll find the final results. It's all healed and you'll get your colour results and the shape revealed.
Wow. They look pretty incredible. I'm really pleased with them. Really pleased, yeah. I've got the boldness and the definition that I wanted. So this is the final result. I'm really pleased with it. It's in the healing phase now, so it's not quite where it needs to be. I would definitely recommend it to a friend if I know that they're a bit of a beauty junkie like me. My brows naturally don't look identical, and that's always bothered me, and this is giving me that illusion at least, so really pleased.